Breathing into this space, we just relax for a time of meditation, a time of our practice. This practice informing our mindfulness. So I invite you right where you are to become comfortable. Just relax your shoulders. Relax the breath. Let it become natural. Take a deep inhale and a full exhale. Just notice your body begin to relax and become heavy. Letting yourself feel grounded. And on the inhale, raising the crown of the head high. And then simply letting go. Our practice is simply a time of noticing the breath, becoming an observer of the mind, and just letting thoughts float by. Rather than attaching to them, ruminating, we just acknowledge the thoughts or the feelings and return to the breath. Bringing your attention to the heart center. We create almost an inhale and an exhale through the heart itself, creating coherence in the body and the mind. This is the moment, the one moment, the present moment. In this moment, we have more than enough of everything needed and necessary to show up. All it takes is showing up. So regardless of what might be going on in life, in the world around us, the world within us, we have all it takes to show up. To this moment, releasing the past, releasing any thoughts, anxiousness, even excitement about the future, and just being here now. Notice what it's like to be in the quiet space, to go within. There's no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now. Available, accessible, inexhaustible when I bring my attention to the present moment. So we rest, knowing that a quiet mind follows the stillness of the body. We rest in the silence. power of this practice. Male beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. Male beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. Male beings know we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. In honor of the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.